The Khasi Students' Union Balad Border Area Circle, KSU Lauba Border Area Circle and KSU South Imper Circle in collaboration with the KSU Southwest Khasi Hills District today ended the signature campaign which has been going on for 5 months demanding upgradation of Mawsynram CNRD block into a civil subdivision. Through this last signature campaign, the KSU has publicly announced that they will continue its protest on this issue. B. Snaitang President KSU Balad Border Area Circle said that the KSU has been conducting various peaceful protests in the last 5 months, but the state government has remained silent.
Nakapagta dan tentu berdampak ya kan Mawsynram CNRD block siya ka civil subdivision